I'm showing you how I got this glam purple graphic liner look, and I'll also show you an option with a nude lip. Okay, first we're going in with Tarte Shape Tape. And we're gonna set Laura Mercier powder. Okay, and we're gonna use some purple tones. So we're gonna use the Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors and the Huda Beauty Mercury and Retrograde palette. It's really pretty. And then we're gonna do some graphic liner. Go in with this color first. I'm gonna go in with this shade by Dose of Colors. Go in with this color. Here. And I'm going to use a flat angled brush to really get in up. I'm kind of just mapping out where I want the graphic liner, and it adds a little bit of dimension. Okay, I got the Suva Beauty, it's the Hydra Space liners, and I'm going to be using some of these. So excited. They're awesome. They're really fun. So first I'm gonna go in with the taffies, and I'm gonna do this bright purple color. Now for the silver. Going in with this silver. There's also this purple color I want to try, so I can do that too. I want to finish the eyes before I move on to the face, so. And this is the Ilia concealer into this shade. And then we're gonna go in with this shade and this shade, then go in with that shade. And then we're gonna do some gems. Going all out on this one. Okay, I'm testing out the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. Excited to try this. Let's put our hair back. Just gonna put it on the high points of my face. Now we're gonna go in with the Best Skin Ever Sephora foundation. Little redness around my nose. So. Okay, and then we're gonna try out the new Tarte Sculpt Tape. Excited to try this too. And I got the color Cool Bronze. Actually, people are saying this could be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury too, so a lot of Charlotte Tilbury dupes today. Alright, okay, that. See that? Yeah. Just gonna use this contour brush. This is the Vanity Makeup's Cosmetics contour brush. Okay, that's really nice. It's very liquidy. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's definitely more like a bronzer than contour color, at least if you have fair skin. Or I should say light, not fair. But this would definitely be a bronzer for somebody that had fair skin. It's not really like a true contour color, at least for my skin tone. And a little goes a long way. Okay, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Duo. This is an oldie but a goodie. It's the Morphe blush palette. Mary Luminizer by The Balm. Actually, I'm gonna do some like purple highlighter too. This is the Too Faced Fancy Pink Diamond. So it's kind of like a purple pink color. And for the final touches, we're gonna do green eyeliner on the waterline. I just love the way green looks. Green and purple are really pretty together. Okay, we're gonna do MAC Vino. I'm gonna put a little gloss on. This is the ColourPop Casino. I'm gonna do a nude lip too, but we'll start with this. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. And I have another video on how I did a pink graphic liner, which I think you guys will like if you enjoyed this one. Please subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos.